First time ever Gita Gyan contest based on 6 session course on Bhagavad Gita.
Can a scientist believe in God? We generally study about A plus B whole square, the planetary systems, or atoms and molecules, but this is all about matter. Bhagavad Gita says that the complete knowledge means understanding of matter as well as life and the controller of both. Bhagavad Gita has mainly 5 subjects, and if you know these 5 subjects, you know Bhagavad Gita. The first one is, who am I? Generally people say we are just a bunch of chemicals. Are we so worthless? Some grams of iron, some grams of potassium? Or is there a higher dimensional existence to our reality? In this world, more important than who you are is whom you belong to. Like in COVID situation, we rushed to our homes because we belong to our parents. Similarly, during difficult times, we go towards God. So more important than who am I, what is important? Whom I belong to. So the second subject matter is who is God. Then the third subject is karma. Why do bad things happen to good people? And why do bad people don't get punishment? The fourth is time. With the power of time, big nations become power-stricken. In 1993, Soviet Union had such an economic crisis that people were taking a suitcase filled with cash but no bread to buy. Such is the power of time. And the fifth one, nature. Nature is so powerful, it can shut the whole world and make everyone sit at home. So we can talk about nature outside, but what is our nature? So both these natures are discussed in Bhagavad Gita. So this is that Bhagavad Gita which has impacted the lives of millions of people on this planet. Scientists like Einstein, to freedom fighters like Gandhi, to businessmen like Alfred Ford, and to political leaders like Narendra Modi. All of them regard this book as the timeless wisdom of knowledge. Now hear me carefully. The world statistics say that close to 8 lakhs people die due to suicide every year, which is one person every 40 seconds. Why? When the mind is not under control, even the smallest problem appears very big. The 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita says, for him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind remains the greatest. So my dear friends, join me in this 6-session course where we will learn the art of concentration, meditation for modern age, mind control and various other things to bring out the hidden potential of human life.